Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk. You don't know where we are today. We are at the CIA, not the Fed one, the food one. Yes, the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park. And Lynn and I came down to try out one of the restaurants. They have multiple restaurants here. If you ever go through the Hudson Valley or Hyde Park area in New York, stop by, see the culinary. I would recommend getting reservations ahead of time. And a little bit more trivia. I went to the Culinary Institute and took quite a few, 7 or 8 continuing ed classes. I'm a foodie and I like to cook, so decided to come down on this beautiful fall day, and we're going to scan around. And I was excited to see that we had a great 66 DE on the premise. So I'm going to walk over here and take a look at this beautiful tent. And we made this 13 years ago, and Darren Morissette at Party Time Rentals did it. They did a great job. Come on over here. So, 13 years old, 60 wide double pole, and it still looks in pretty great shape. And 20-foot mids. But a couple of things I want to show you on this. Really surprised at their anchor system. They went the long mile and got these great anchors put in. Everybody always calls out and asks me, how do we secure a tent on concrete or pavement? They put these big steel balusters into the concrete and affix the ratchets right to it, and it's set up for a 66 by 60 foot double pole tent. Poles and sides on it. They have an event here for one of the local colleges, Immerse College, today, and a wedding for about 150 people tomorrow. So again, if you ever get a chance, come by the Culinary Institute in Hyde Park, New York, and see these students, the great future chefs of the industry, and try one of the local restaurants here. This is Fred for another Tuesday Tent Talk. We'll see you next time on TTT, WeMakeTents.com.